Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming servers and installing updates because game-side faults cause many disconnects. Once done, restart your router and the platform, holding power for 30 seconds to clear caches. This often fixes transient network errors. Make sure you switch to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, or at least test a 5 GHz band to reduce interference. These first actions narrow root causes fast and let you rule out simple software or Wi-Fi signal issues. Now you dig into network configuration to stabilize the connection. Assign a static IP or reserve a DHCP lease so your device keeps the same address. This prevents NAT flaps. Next, open or forward the common Fortnite UDP ports and enable UPnP if your router supports it so matchmaking and voice remain stable. Disable VPNs, proxies, cloud backups, or downloads while you play, because they compete for bandwidth and introduce latency spikes that cause disconnects. These changes reduce packet loss and NAT-related drops. Finish by validating the fix. Run a continuous ping and packet loss test for about 5 minutes while you simulate gameplay to confirm stability. If problems persist, update or reinstall your network drivers on PC or reinstall Fortnite to clear corrupted files that can trigger disconnects. If you still see drops, temporarily bypass your router and connect directly to the ISP modem to isolate router issues. This single troubleshooting step often reveals whether home network hardware is the culprit and guides your next move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.